Welcome to Sukri Learnings. In this video, I will show you how to install Java 14 in Linux, EC2, RHEL. Some of you either thinking or experienced installing Java in Linux is a tedious task to do it. Don't worry, this video will help you to install Java in 3 simple steps. Yep, it's download, upload to server, and install. Open RHEL Java download page in browser using the link provided in descriptions. Once the RHEL website is loaded, you can navigate to download section and click on link Linux RPM package. It will ask you to accept the license. And click on the download button. It will ask you to sign in. Post sign in to RHEL. Java RPM file will be downloaded to your system. Once it's downloaded, upload it to temp folder in the Linux server. Now we are ready to install Java. Open terminal and switch to root user by using a command sudo su. Now install Java using a command rpm ivh tmp jdk 14.0.1 _linux x64 bin.rpm. Here you have successfully installed Java. You can verify it by checking Java version. Thank you for watching.